This is some silver ore that I found in an abandoned mine. I turned it into this pure silver ring by smelting down the ore. The first step was to go 450 feet down in an abandoned mine, and then you have to get the ore out of the wall. This is galena, which is lead, silver, and some other minerals. Back up top, it was time to refine the ore. The first step is crushing it up. Then you add in some soda ash, and all that goes into a crucible and heated to a few thousand degrees. That gets poured back into a mold, and then you break off the slag, which holds all the impurities. Then you reheat that mixture and add in zinc. Zinc floats on the surface and binds to all the silver. So you scrape all that off and once again heat it up. Here, you burn off the zinc and oxidize any lead. And voila! Pure silver, ready to be made into a ring. Follow along for the ring.